How to change language on Litmatch. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change language on Litmatch. To change the language on Litmatch, first of all open your Litmatch application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. In this homepage, at the bottom right, you will find your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon and this will take you to your profile page. In your profile page, here at the top right, you will find the gear or the settings icon. Go ahead and tap on that settings icon and this will take you to settings page. Once you reach to the settings page, here you need to find the option that says language. Scroll and find the option language. Once you find the language option, tap on the option and then you will be taken to this page where you will be able to find different languages available in Litmatch. Here you may not be able to find the language that you are looking for. If you found the language that you are looking for, you just simply need to tap on that little circle at the right side of the language you select and then a check mark will appear to indicate the selection. Once you have done that, tap on the Done option at the top right to make the changes. Once after doing that, now you can see you have successfully changed your language on Litmatch. The newly changed language will be applied on your account now. So by following these steps, you should be able to change language on Litmatch. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.